Installing a microSD card into an MC9400 mobile computer. Power off the device. Remove the battery. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the device upside down on a grounded anti-static mat. Use a long, thin Torx T8 screwdriver to remove the two screws. Turn the device over so the keypad is visible. Use a Torx T8 screwdriver to remove the two keypad assembly screws. Lift the keypad from the device. Slide the microSD card holder into the open position. Raise the microSD card holder. Insert the microSD card into the card holder. Ensure that the card slides into the holding tabs on each side of the card holder. Lower the microSD card holder and slide it into the lock position. Align the keypad along the device's bottom ridge, then lay it flat. Use a Torx T8 screwdriver to secure the keypad to the device with the two screws. Again, place the device upside down. Use a long, thin Torx T8 screwdriver to replace the two screws inside the battery slot. Insert the battery. Turn on the device.